Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a single word to capture the chaos of the artificial intelligence world the last week, it's this: distraction. Picture this. It was a late Friday afternoon. It was the week before Thanksgiving. It's the kind of time you'd expect to be real quiet in Silicon Valley, but not this time. OpenAI, the company at the pole position, the center of this AI revolution, it dropped a bombshell. As you already know, Sam Altman, their CEO, was shown the door. Gone. The boot. He's out of here. And no one saw this coming. The move sent like a shockwave through the entire tech industry. It's not every day you see a CEO like this, especially a high profile one, get fired like that. The move also set off like a real domino effect, triggering kind of a string of resignations from other top executives at OpenAI. It was kind of like watching a house of cards collapse. The latest I saw was the staff of OpenAI was threatening to quit if Sam wasn't brought back, and who knows what's going to happen here. But here's the real kicker. This whirlwind of drama at OpenAI, it was just a distraction. Yes, these boardroom battles and the internal politics of OpenAI, they grab our attention. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't glued to X or Twitter all weekend looking for updates. But here's where the plot thickens a little bit. We're not just observers of this, we're investors. Our focus isn't just on the drama, it's on the bottom line, or our bottom line. We should be looking at this unfolding drama through the lens of an investor looking for opportunity and profit. The real story for us isn't, like who's in or who's out at OpenAI. It's about understanding the AI landscape and where the real money making opportunities are going. The headline that really should have caught everyone's attention last week from OpenAI wasn't about Sam Altman, wasn't about the board. No, it was actually something that underscores a point that we've been hammering home here for months. The development of AI, like every major technological revolution before it, follows a predictable path. It starts with hardware. Hardware is kind of that tangible, physical foundation to technology. Okay, and then from there, software is built on top of that. And software is kind of the brains of the operation. And eventually technology becomes everywhere, and it's like a fabric of our daily lives, kind of like, a cell phone or the internet. Hardware, software, everywhere. That's the pattern we're going in here. OpenAI's announcement last week is a clear signal that we're still in the very early innings of the hardware build out. And no, no, I'm not talking about Sam Altman getting the boot. Think about this. OpenAI, the leader in the field of AI, announced that it's now turning away paying customers. Yes, last week, OpenAI had to pause subscriptions to its popular ChatGPT Plus software. Paying customers are now directed to a waiting list. Why would any company in their right mind do that? And the answer is simple. OpenAI can't handle the demand. And this isn't just like a minor hiccup. It's a clear sign of an industry that is still ramping up, still laying down its hardware foundation. It's a clear indication that we're just at the beginning of something monumental here. OpenAI software is so popular, the company doesn't even have enough computing power or hardware to meet the demand it's seeing. And that's impressive considering most of Microsoft's multi-billion dollar investment into OpenAI is allegedly in the form of server credits. So in other words, Microsoft is giving OpenAI access to its servers in exchange for a stake in the company. So what does all this mean? The investment cycle into AI hardware is just beginning. The popularity of AI software is just beginning, and it's accelerating. Even Elon Musk took notice on his social media platform that he's renamed X, saying, quote, yikes, to the fact Microsoft's just a single company investing into AI hardware is spending $50 billion per year on its data center build out. That's going to require a lot of computer chips, networking cables, energy, and that's just Microsoft. Now imagine what Google, Amazon, Meta, IBM, Oracle, all of those are going to spend. And look, you can choose to focus on the negative headlines around AI, the drama, or the distractions. I'm going to stay focused on where the money is going. About 6 months ago, I started giving public recommendations in a flagship product that I call the Near Future Report. Every recommendation that I have made is higher. Every stock we've recommended has gone up. Our software pick from last month is up 26%. The month before that, we singled out the best AI software play besides Microsoft. That stock is up 10%. Our top semiconductor play is up 9% since August. Earlier this month, just a couple of weeks ago, we recommended 2 semiconductor stocks. Both of them are up 7%. And look, some of you guys don't want to pay for research. I get it. We've recommended the SMH semiconductor ETF numerous times here in the newsletter and on the channel. And look, it's easy to be distracted in these markets. The media, other investors, the government, shoot, even the companies themselves like OpenAI, they're creating distractions. The investment cycle we're seeing in AI, this doesn't come along very often. Microsoft is committing $50 billion a year to AI data center build out, and it still can't meet the demand OpenAI is seeing. And look, I want you to profit from this. If you're interested in subscribing to the Near Future Report, I'll have a link down below. The cost is less than $1 a week for your first year. Otherwise, I'll do my best to keep you updated on this historic investment cycle for free here on YouTube and on my free newsletter. Both of those links are down below. So aside from turkey, family, maybe a little shopping this week, don't let the distractions around AI keep you from profiting. There's going to be a lot of distractions. There's going to be even more profit. So until next time, that was The Bleeding Edge. My name is Colin Tedards. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you again soon.